Hello my friend, this video is showing you how to replace the water pump. So you can see the old one and the new one. The key part to replace the water pump and how to get out. For me, this 2011 Toyota Sienna. It's to remove this one here. Then you can take the water pump out. Of course, first one you have to take this wheel off, jack up, so you don't have to pull up the engine. Some videos say pull up the engine. Actually, it's not true. So for me, 2011 key is remove this one. And also one thing is that this two screw is really different. You can see this is 10 millimeter, is 12 millimeter. So this two, you can see the bottom, other 6 is fresh. This two is different. So I think it's the, come on, 1, 2, 3, third column of it. It's not clear. Yes, 10 millimeter. That's all. Can show you. Wish you good luck in replace this water pump.